Look where we are.
Great waterfall. On this episode on Proceeding Onward in America. Welcome to Proceeding Onward in the center of America. And we're going to add our own twine.
And see a waterfall. If you come, find us. Let us know if it's still there.
Hello and welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA. Where are we?
We are in Kansas.
Woo! Yeah, so we are going to show you in this video some of the places that we went and visited.
All right.
So stay tuned.
Let's see where we go. Well, after leaving Lewisburg Cider Mill, we drove for 2 hours all the way to Junction City to stop and rest at Gary's County Lake Waterfall.
Living on the edge. Legit. What you doing, Jack? You might fall down the waterfall. Living on the edge. You swimming, huh, Jax? Guess I didn't really need to bring the water. Yep, that's your friend. Yep. Yeah. Get some friends. So we decided to make a little pit stop on our way up north and see a waterfall.
Yeah.
It's a nice little location. It's pretty busy. It's friendly for all ages. See the waterfall, not climbing it.
It's okay.
So what do you think?
Fantastic break.
So it's a nice little break, have some lunch, continue on our journeys.
Yep. What's next?
We are heading up north to the biggest twine ball. Biggest ball of twine.
So what's on your twine?
So when you're here, there are multiple places to park. We just parked over there near the entrance to avoid RVing down there. So when you come down the dirt path, about a quarter mile, half a mile maybe, the sign isn't really, before you go to the downgrade, the sign isn't really marked. So as we were driving through, we ended up seeing a billboard that mentioned about Rock City. So we decided to take a detour and visit.
we arrived, we noticed there's an admission fee. $3 per adult, 50 cents per child under the age of 16.
Or you can buy a $25 yearly pass. Rock City seems like a very nice place to stop, to chill out, have the kids jump around on the rocks. There's even some walking trails that you can head down. Sit down, have a picnic underneath the gazebo, and there's a bathroom. But we ended up just driving out. Alright, we're going to park right next to Old's Gasoline.
We're gonna go see the biggest ball of twine.
Little tiny Cocker City. Nothing much going on except for the ball of twine. That's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
What you think, Jaggy?
It's twine-tastic.
Is it twiny enough?
Twine-tastic.
Twine-tastic. Aw, he was a little one. He was the 5th of 7 children. They did it on the back of the barn, then rode it on over. So it was over 4,000 pounds, and then once it made it over here, it gained more. Oh, the winds from a blizzard blew the shelter off, and they built a new gazebo. Oh, they did add more twine. Look, it says add your own twine to the ball.
What other RVer parks on the side of the road just to go see a big ball of twine? And we're gonna add our own twine because you can add more to it.
Oh, there's no book.
We need paper. We can sign and leave it in the mailbox.
Now she's telling me to get paper to sign it and put it in the mailbox.
Alright, as you can tell, we killed some bugs, but we're heading on in. I guess you can only go left or right. This is totally
arrived.
not what I thought. Wrong direction that I thought of.
Welcome to Proceeding Onward in the center of America.
We are at the center of the United States, of the continuous lower 48s.
Alaska and Hawaii is not included. So far we've been to the furthest east, the lowest south, and the northest north of the continuous America. And now we are in the center. And we are on our way to the most western.
Yes!
So we'll hit that sooner or later.
Yeah, can't wait. Look at this cute little park where you can just come and barbecue. We could have dinner here, baby. Grill. Enjoy a little outdoor moment. So if you want to get married in the center of the United States, you could get married.
Who would want to get married in the center of the United States?
If you come, find us. Let us know if it's still there. Moo. I was trying to figure out where there's water on the floor and Jack's pillow thing is all wet. I don't know if anything happened underneath, but there's a big puddle of water and everything. It's coming from the fridge, I think. I'm trying to, but look, there's nothing wet. Well, maybe it just was defrosting. Okay. False alarm. That water was just from the fridge defrosting because we've been traveling so
Still
long.
your fault.
Yeah. I love you.
Still your fault.
Mm-hmm.
Still your fault.
All is good. So what did you all think of this video? Comment down below and make sure that you like and subscribe and share this out to your friends. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see where we stayed for the night and our campground review. Until next time, bye-bye. On the next episode, but right now this would be a great spot for the night. Nice and quiet, secluded.
Oh, I'm looking.
Let's go check out the registration box.
Because we did hear a big boom on the top of the roof.
We used our dog bone then. Hey honey, go take the trash out now.